How much does a spendthrift trust cost? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to set up a spendthrift trust? This type of trust is designed to protect beneficiaries from creditors and prevent them from misusing the trust assets. Understanding the costs involved can help you make informed decisions about your estate planning. First, let's talk about the initial setup costs. Legal fees for drafting a spendthrift trust usually range from $1,000 to $4,000 or more. The exact amount depends on how complex the trust is and the attorney's experience and location. If your trust has specific provisions or multiple beneficiaries, you might face higher fees. Additionally, there may be filing fees for registering the trust, but these are generally modest. Next, we need to consider trustee fees. If you choose a professional or corporate trustee, the fees can vary widely. They may charge a percentage of the trust assets each year, typically between 0.5% and 1.5%. Some may charge a flat fee or an hourly rate based on their level of involvement. If you appoint a family member or individual as the trustee, fees may be lower or waived altogether. However, professional management is often recommended for proper administration. Ongoing administrative costs are another factor to keep in mind. Spendthrift trusts requiring continuous management, which includes accounting, tax preparation, and compliance with trust terms. These costs can vary based on the complexity of the trust and the assets involved. For example, annual maintenance fees for asset protection trusts can range from $6,000 to $9,000, especially if professional services are involved. There can also be additional costs when transferring assets into the trust. This may involve legal work, appraisal fees, or transfer taxes, particularly if real estate or business interests are included. If the trust is set up in a specialized jurisdiction or offshore, the setup and maintenance costs can be significantly higher. In general, setting up a spendthrift trust can involve an initial legal fee in the low thousands. Ongoing trustee and administrative fees depend on the trust's complexity and the value of the assets. For many clients, total costs can range from a few $1,000s to over $10,000 annually when professional services are engaged. It is wise to consult with an estate planning attorney who specializes in elder law and trusts. They can provide a detailed cost estimate tailored to your specific situation and goals. This ensures that your trust is structured correctly to protect assets and comply with estate tax planning considerations.